So welcome to the next lesson in the Search Console module. Here we will have a quick look at other resources. So here you have some resources such as structured data testing tool, structured data markup helper, etc. So basically, if you have seen star ratings on websites and if you have seen recipe related information on Google search, where there is some extra information on Google search apart from the actual result itself, right? So this we will explore more in the structured snippets module. And here you have structured data testing tool and markup helper, where you can go ahead and check if your website is working well for those particular markups. You have something called email markup tester. So if you are sending HTML email, then this will validate the structured data inside a HTML email. So Google My Business, this also we will cover it in a separate lesson, where you could add your business inside Google. Then Google Merchant Center is basically for people who have e-commerce stores and they want to add a product search module to Google. So Google Custom Search is basically a module which you can place on your website and people can search within your website. And Google Domains and Webmaster Academy is something that we will not explore now. Webmaster Academy is basically a area where you can learn more about having a good website. So here you can see tips on creating a great site and things like that. So this is basically a help resource. And you can also register domain names on Google. So here you can see for $12 a year you can register a domain and hold it on Google. So apart from using some other domain registrar, so this is basically the domain itself is domain.google, because Google bought the extension .google as well. So that's about it for the Search Console module in your SEO Mastery course. And in the next modules, we will start learning about on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and more such things inside SEO. So if you have any questions, go ahead and ask it in the Facebook forum, which is created for just the students of SEO Mastery. And if you don't have a website, I highly recommend that you go ahead, create a website, and only then you can go ahead and experiment with a Search Console. So no matter where you are working or who you are helping with, whether you are working with someone as a full-time employee or helping someone else as a consultant for SEO, then Search Console or getting the website added in Search Console and keeping it error free and making sure that the search traffic is in the maximum is very, very important. So thank you, and I will see you in the next module. Bye bye.